All right, Smart Money Gang, welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy SMSFXMENTOR, and you already know, man, I'm here to drop another banger. And I know y'all clicked on the video already because of the title, right? So basically, right, I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown strategy, basically of the Swaggy C strategy, right? So we know we go on Swaggy C channel. We see like he always showing like little breakdowns or how to trade, you know, things of that nature. So to me, it's kind of like he trade a breakout strategy, right? He always showing boxes and key levels and things of that nature, right? Basically, I'm just gonna give you guys a breakdown, right? So I'm gonna give you guys this new breakout strategy. So for those who are new to the channel, all I need you to do is go like, share, subscribe, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend, right? So I can keep dropping bangers and keep dropping knowledge. Now I heard your boy finna drop, of course, a new website and stuff like that. So go ahead over there and check them out, right? No hate, no shade, right? You already know what it is. If you want my private mentorship, though, you already know what to do. SMSFXMentors.com. And you already know, I see y'all on the other side. But look, small disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor by any means, guys, okay? So, you know, that takes 8 years plus, guys. And you know, I might go for that. You feel me? Maybe with my, maybe my 38, 40s and stuff like that. I might be a financial advisor, guys. We never know, right? But right now, all I can do is just shorten your curve up, right? Give you private mentorship, one-on-ones with me. We'll break down psychology and methodology. Then we'll come up with a strategy that can work for you, right? In your time frame. Then we'll come up with a signal, signals that you can catch around that time frame. All right, guys. So man, you already know, man. Pick out your notebooks, get your phone, get your pens, everything you need, right, to take notes. Because yeah, I'm about to break the game proper to you. I'm about to show you guys this breakout strategy. All right, so let's get it. Hop right into it. Share the screen. And yeah, so as you guys can see too, man, you already know I'm gonna come show out, man, because I drop technical Tuesdays, then we do pre-markups, right? So I called this in pre-markup and on technical Tuesdays, and we finally hit our targets, guys, on that one, on the Euro odd as well. So guys, technical Tuesdays are very, very important. And just so as pre-markups, right? So if you go over there and you can go check it out yourself, you can go look for yourself. I call all of these trades, right, live for you guys. I actually called this one too, but the other day I was doing something, I was doing an example, and I cleared off the whole screen, right? So we had a descending triangle right here, and then price finally broke and came and kept pushing down. So I actually called this one too, but I actually cleared it off, and I basically cleared it off to show you guys this breakout strategy. Basically the breakout strategy that Swaggy C uses. All right, so you already know he like to mark off the key levels. We mark off our key levels. I pretty much show that on this channel as well. We mark off the key levels and things of that nature. But right now, basically, I'm just gonna, we're gonna stick to the script. We're gonna see our high for the day. We're gonna see our low for right now, or whatever time we get on the charts. We see our high for the day. If we get on the charts when it's, before the charts start, or we do our lows for the day, as far as when the charts start, when the charts are, when we setting up the charts, right? But right now, I'm just going to show you guys this. I'm going to focus on this breakout strategy. So, and then I'm going to show you guys how to pretty much use it. So like right here, if you're not looking for shapes and things of that nature, then like I said, you can always look for a breakout. It won't fail you guys. I'm going to just show you guys. And of course, we know we got to put more with it, of course. Right? We know not to just, hey, boom, Luke said do this. Ken said, hey, this is the breakout strategy. This is how you use it. Like I said, you got to mark up your key levels and things of that nature, guys. So don't get crazy. Let's not get crazy. We mark up our key levels. I'm about to put the timer on for you guys, so this video won't be 30 years, but don't be crazy, guys. So mark up your key level so you can understand where you're at on the charts. But I'm just teaching you the breakout strategy. I'm gonna mark up a few spots. Right, this was just choppy right here, so we're just gonna mark this whole. So basically what he do is he basically break out. He may not break out, he wait for the breakout before he do his entries, right? So just to be sure that he won't get faked out or nothing like that, right? Or this is what you guys can do, just so that you won't get faked out. You guys can actually draw these boxes, right? So when you draw these boxes on here, when you draw boxes at key levels and things of that nature, of course, you're just waiting on on price to either break going up or break going down, right? If you want to make it as simple as that, okay, guys? So you can make it simple in these areas, and that way you can make smooth, easy money, without all of the the drama, guys, without all of the drama. So basically, like I said, he usually have a key level marked off. Right? So I'm just gonna mark one off for right now, right? It's not a key level or a major level, but it's a level, right? So I'm gonna mark one off just to give you guys an elite example. All right, and then we'll go to what price is at, which is at 48,000. So boom, we'll go here and then we'll go here. All right, so basically what I was saying is, okay, even right here, now we can put a breakout right here and we can try to catch the breakout, right? Right now. So I'm gonna give you, you know how I do it, man. I always give you all the way up to live until now. I go back and test it for you guys. And then I always give you an example of what's happening now. So it's basically like live trading, guys. Man, take advantage of this, man. People not doing stuff like this, B. So you already know, man. Just hit the like button, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. When you're ready to get serious about trading and you want to get into these pros, like how I be getting into these pros, man. Y'all know what to do. It's your boy, SMSFX Mentors, right? So let me show you guys a little bit of pros that I caught earlier. Pros that I caught earlier, man. All one pair. I only traded one pair, and you feel me? We all in blues, man. We closed them all out. I made like 30 bucks this morning just off one little push. It was just a little scalp. You feel me? So it all depends on how you want to trade, guys. Trust me. So, okay. So now, boom. Let's just see. And I was from the $100 account. Remember, guys, I had remember, guys, I had withdrew. I had took this $100 to 300. I withdrew 200. So now I'm starting my FTMO challenge, and I'm already 20% up on this count again. So I'm up $130, 30% almost, up 130 plus bucks on this trade that I took this morning, just scalping while I was out and about. And then you guys can see the video on that. Go check out my story. I put the video on that, and then the video before this show you that I withdrew, blah, blah, blah. I'm still in positives, guys. But anyways, right, so this is what we do, right? And this is how you would catch the breakout. So now you'll square this off on a higher time frame. Let's say, even if you want to do the daily, you could have squared that off. Well, you couldn't square it off on a daily, but yeah, on the 4 hour or the 1 hour or something like that, right? Then what we'll do is we'll scale in. So now we can drop down to the 15-minute time frame, right? And then we basically like Swaggy C always talking about structure, right? If price is not breaking structure, if price went pushed down here, pushed up here, failed to make a new high, right? It's not finna break any structure. Failed to make a new high right here. It's not finna break any structure. Failed to make a new high right here. Not finna break a new structure. Once it cracked this box, you feel me? That's what he's saying. He getting in, right? So this is what you're gonna do on a breakout. So once price, you're looking at structure in this breakout. So you could have came here, excuse me, and you could have came here and put this right here. So guys, listen, strategies is awesome, but if people are only going to teach you a strategy, listen, come to my page and look for every strategy that you can look for. But if they're going to teach you full in depth how to actually trade and what really matters, then you feel me? Go with them, rock with them. But hey, listen, it's a safe place here, man. So come rock with your boy, SMSFXMentors.com, man. I'm gonna teach you all this. I can show you all this for free, right? I can show you baby pips, everything else for free, right? But learning how to actually trade and to understand what matters, when to get in the markets and things like that, I'm telling you guys, that's that's the holy grail you're missing. All right. So anyways, right. So now you see, boom, price come here, price come here, price come here, failed to make any new highs. As soon as it broke the box, we could have entered right here. Boom, entry. And then now once we enter, we can get off of this page. We can go right back to the 4 hour. Like, wait, we already entered. I'm going back to the 4 hour. I don't want to get tricked out. I don't want to see price be moving too choppy and things of that nature. I already got my entry. I already got my entry. So now I just come back here and wait. So now we would have seen price, boom, come down, come right here, boom. Then we could have came and moved our stop loss down right above here, right above this last low. Right. So boom, we could have came and slapped our stop loss right here. And then boom, price came back up, never came hit you, stopped you out, and would have kept pushing down to the downside. Now where you would have took this trade from here, you would have took it down to this level right here, because this is a level of interest. We had problems right here. We had support right here. So we had a demand zone right here. Boom. Price came back, retested the demand zone, and kept pushing to the upside. So we already know, okay, boom, this is a demand zone for sure. You know what I'm saying? If it's not a key level, this 48,000 level is a demand zone. All right. So price get here and it might get to acting funny. So we just looking at structure. So we seen price shoot up as soon as it got to this point, but it shot back down. Right. We see how this, we wait 39 minutes to see how this candle closed. If it closed above here, then we're gonna just keep trying to look to go to the upside, right? Or we're gonna just wait to see what price do. If price crack through here, then we're gonna wait for the pullback, and then we're gonna get in and we're gonna take it down to this level. First take profit, second, third, right? So this is the breakout strategy, guys. So if you're a patient person, you can wait. Then this will actually work for you. So we can come down here, then we can scale back to the 15. Okay, boom, come back to the 15. All right, come back to the 15. Come back down to here. So now, like I said, I will mark up this key level, which was 46,000 level. Like, hey, let me see. Maybe this 46,200 level, right? So I'll mark that level up like, all right, it's a level of interest to me. Probability, good probability level, right? So now I'm in the box. And this is definitely if you're not aggressive. You're not an aggressive person. And then basically you're following structure, price come up, price come up, price come up. Right. So price come up, making higher lows. Then boom, what did you get? A breakout. So once you got this breakout, we got this shoot up to the upside. Where we take it to? This last high, right? Or this last high, right? Well, what we do is we trail our stop. So we would have trailed our stop. You seen how beautiful this was moving. We would have took our, we would have waited, boom, waited right up in here. We would have moved our stop up here, let it do whatever we're gonna do. It kept moving pretty like that. We're gonna trail our stop. So we can come put our stop here, put our stop here, right? Let it go up. And like I said, we would have took it to either the last high somewhere. So we would have had this area of interest marked off too as well. So we could have had this 7,600 level marked off. Then we would have knew, all right, boom, price come up to here again, boom. So now we got this level right here. We got our breakout, and then we took it up to here, boom. So, then we come here, we come over here, right? Price failing to make any lower lows. Then we got our breakout. Then we could have got in. We could have took price to whatever point we wanted to. But this is the breakout strategy. Now we know right here, we all consolidating. It's messy. It's nothing right up here. Or I can just base my trades from this box to the top of this box, from the box to the bottom of the box, right? Boom, it finally hit right here. But that's how that works, man. It's consolidating. You can tell when it's consolidating. But right here, the same thing on the 15-minute time frame. Basically, he boom, he watched structure, wait for structure, higher lows. Then he wait for the breakout of the box that he entered. Once the pullback come back, he know, all right, you can draw up a little, hey, slant going right here, right? If price don't come back up above this slant, then boom, entry. So once you came out of here, you could have entered, price kept pushing down, never stopped you out. You could have came, move your stops here, and then move your stops here. Then you could have moved your stops here. Then you could have trailed it, move your stops here, right? Still taking this joker down, right? So this is the breakout strategy that your boy Swaggy C like talking about, right? So, we got one here, and this is on a smaller time frame, so it might not be the same, but you put your box up, you wait, price failed to make any higher highs, you watch your box, and then you wait on the break of this box. As soon as you make on the break of this box, you enter, right? So that's a nice strategy, guys. So like I said, I can teach you all the strategies right here on this channel. If you're looking for trading to learn strategies, then you might not want to be a serious trader, and you need to try to just keep studying. Don't put your money in the markets. Don't waste your money yet. You need to keep studying until you start figuring out that, hey, because once you go to strategies, right? Once you choose a strategy, you have to try to stick with the strategy, though, guys. You can't come to me and say, hey, Jackpot taught me this strategy. Hey, could you start teaching me now? Because it's not like I have to you have to unlearn. You have to, unlearn to relearn. So I'm gonna have to unlearn you whatever he taught you to reteach you the way I'm gonna try to teach you, right? And then for you not to get it confused, that it's not. I'm not here to teach you what he taught you. I'm here to teach you the right way, right? So I don't care how long you've been trading, right? I don't care if you've been trading for 20,000 years more than me or longer than me. The markets change every day, every week, every hour, every second. The markets will always change. So don't be that guy that think like, oh, you know, you got the holy grail, the best signal, or you got the best mentor in the world. Because if your mentor not learning new things every day, like me, I learn new stuff every day. I search the web and I learn different content and different things, and then I bring it over here to you guys, right? So basically what I've done is index my channel for you guys to be able to get as much free information as possible. So you can go in the market by yourself. You don't need anyone to go in the market. People only give you as much so that you won't, so that you need them. I'm gonna give you the whole spiel, the real tea, right? I want you to be on the same level as me, so we all can be on the same level. We all in these charts, and we all moving, just like a floor. If you was working at Goldman Sachs or something like that, you're not against each other. That's where everybody is wrong at, man. We're not supposed to be against each other. We supposed to have conversations, sentiment, value. You know, it's private, but I also offer a free group where we can just kick it and talk. If you guys want to come in there and ask me questions, you can. That's what it's for, right? Go on there and check it out, right? So SMSFXMentors.com. Go ahead over there to the free mentorship and all the free stuff that I got to offer, the free Discord to show you different patterns and everything, guys. I've indexed myself for beginners, right? And when you're ready to understand how to compound your account, how to grow your account, how to flip an account, how to do things of that nature, how to do proper risk management, proper risk to reward ratios and things of that nature, then that's when you come to find a mentor. You don't have to find me. You don't have to find the next person or this person or the highest person, but find someone that know more than you and that can teach you something, guys. Just don't, don't go to a group and just because, hey, you're getting signals and all that, and that's flago. That's fine. That's cool, right? Signals are awesome, right? So I do premium signals as well, but that's a plus. Guys, if I teach you how to fish, you will be able to fish for forever. If I keep giving you fish, though, you're going to have to depend on me to give you fish. So realize that, understand that, and, don't be that trader that just think like, hey, I got the best trader. I'm the best person. I got the best strategy. It's a million strategies out here, guys. It's so much I can teach you. I can talk about the Fibonacci. I can talk about the retracement. We can talk about so much stuff, right? We can talk about the fan. We can talk about harmonic. We can talk about anything that you want to talk about. We can talk about HFX, stocks, all of that, right? But listen, the psychology and the methodology, if you don't have that down pat, guys, just listen, search for someone who you feel like you're comfortable with, that you can be comfortable with and be able to actually learn how to do this, guys. You can pass this down to your family. This can build generational wealth, right? Guys, this could be you right now. You could be sitting at home, literally sitting up, reading the charts, making placing good probability trades, and literally, living your best life, guys. If you want full details on this strategy and things like that, go ahead and tap in with your boy. Go ahead and chime in with me. I can show you how to work these charts, how to be able to make money that's comfortable for you, right? You don't have to make $1 million a day, $2,000 a day, $10,000 a day. You don't even have to quit your job. You don't even have to watch the charts like that. If you can understand and do simple breakdowns and be able to know that once you enter, you always got to have an exit. So entry and an exit point. And even at your exit point, you always just got to give it 10 pips under your exit point, right? Just give it, like, if you think it's going to get to there, just give it 10 pips under, right? If you're going to be away from the charts. If you're not, then, you can trade your stop loss and keep it to pushing. Price might be in a continuation, but when you're taking trades off whatever time frame you got to be on or whatever time frame you like to be on, then you need to understand you need an entry and an exit point on that time frame. When you scale in, that's just scaling in to be able to get sniper entries. When you get your entry, you need to be getting up out of there so that you won't fall for whatever is going on in the smaller time frames. You're actually looking at the big picture as a whole. Hey, man, that's free game, man. And learn went off, man. That's the best I can do in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Videos be too crazy, too long. So you already know, man. SMSFXMentors.com. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Forex could be for you guys. Let's just see, right? They say, okay, only, 10%. Only is good traders, 90% fail, 10% only good traders. Out of how many traders, guys? If 1 million people trying to be traders, right? It's billions of people in the world, 1 million people trying to be traders, right? That means 100,000 of us are good, guys. So just remember that, guys. So understand when you're picking your mentor, just go look to see if that's what you want to do, right? You might have a small account and you want to grow a small account. So you need to find somebody that specializes in small accounts like me, right? If you got big amounts, large accounts, then go for the superstar traders, right? Try for the superstar, the buffs, the Warren Buffs, and try for them, because guess what? They're going to show you how to really, make that bag, multiply that bag, because they playing with big money, guys. They're playing with big money. But if you're not the bank, man, you're a retailer, guys. If I was you, I would try everything on here for free with my demo it out until I can get an understanding for Forex. Then I will find a mentor that fits me, that hold me accountable to be able to become the best me, right? So SMSFXMentors.com. Let's get it. Y'all know what time it is. I'm the first to do it, dog. I'm the first to beat Israel. Gang. Let's get it.